Hi! In front of me is REALME 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this REALME. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Convenience Tools. Then click on Navigation and tap on the switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode. Now you need to follow those instructions. So I have to pull down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is on. If you wish to change placement of it, you need to click on this icon at the top left or right corner. If you wish to go back, you need to click on the stop icon at the top right or left corner. And if you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!